In today's video, I'll show you how to use Cloudflare WAF, also known as Web Application Firewall, to help protect your website from harmful traffic and common online threats. If you're new to WAF, it works like a security filter between your visitors and your website server. It analyzes incoming requests and helps block suspicious activity before it reaches your site. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select the website where you want to configure the firewall. Next, open the Security section and go to the WAF area. This is where you can manage firewall rules and security settings for your domain. Start by reviewing the available managed rules. These are pre-built security rules designed to detect and block common attacks automatically. Enable the rules that match your website's needs and review the settings before applying them. You can also create custom firewall rules. This allows you to control how Cloudflare handles specific types of traffic based on conditions like IP addresses, countries, requests, or other characteristics. To create a custom rule, choose the option to add a new rule, define the condition, and select the action Cloudflare should take when that condition is matched. Available actions may include allowing, blocking, challenging, or managing suspicious requests depending on your configuration. After creating your rules, monitor the firewall activity in the Security Events section. This helps you understand what traffic is being blocked and whether any legitimate visitors are affected. If a rule blocks something incorrectly, you can adjust or disable it to make sure your website remains accessible to real users. Regularly reviewing your firewall settings helps keep your website protected as new threats and traffic patterns appear. And that's how you use Cloudflare WAF to protect your website. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.